Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Cindy and this is Interior Designs with Cindy Rayo.
In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how I gave this space a much needed makeover. First thing you want to do when redecorating or remodeling a space is to declutter. As you're decluttering in one room, you're organizing in another. What I mean by that is, while I was taking out objects in this room, I was sorting them in the room outside. Always look for an open space to lay out your belongings. As you're removing the objects, separate them by category. For example, all your plants and flowers, decorative accents, lighting, bedding, and so forth. It makes it a lot easier to find things and to place the room back together. Here's a tip for those who have trouble parting ways with their unused and unneeded belongings. When separating by category, always keep a space for the objects you're inserting you want or don't necessarily need. You can sort through these at the very end. After seeing your space come together, it will be easier to get rid of those things. Step number 2, empty the space. Try to remove as much as you can from the room. It makes all the difference in your design when you can visually see the space you're working with. Step number 3, measure. Guys, I'm terribly sorry. The camera kept going in and out of focus here. So I'm uncertain if you guys can tell, but there's masking tape up on the wall. I used the tape to give me a visual representation of how to place the shelves and TV. I placed a piece of tape from one end of the shelf to the other to give me the exact length. I did the same for the TV. This allowed me to play with the height and the width of the objects until I was satisfied with their placement. We then grabbed the brackets and aligned them with the tape. Make sure it is leveled by using a leveler and made our markings on the wall. Please make sure to take a look at your instructions when installing things like shelves and TV mounts. Instructions vary on drywall, wooden wall, and cement wall. If you're unaware, please contact the customer support or someone familiar with the task at hand. We measured again while installing the bracket and finally after installing the shelf. Once completed, it should look like this. Step number 4, wiring and lighting. This is when you set up your surround system, entertainment center, any ceiling lighting, and so forth. We use a cord cover strip to hide the cables from the TV to the outlet. Place masking tape over the surround system wires, then painted them with paint used on the walls. Step number 5, make the bed. I didn't realize the camera had died. Unfortunately, I don't have any footage of me making or styling the bed. If you guys would like a video on that, please let me know in the comments down below. Determine what the primary focus is in your given space. The bed is a grand piece in this room. I'd like for the accent pieces to complement the bed, not take from it. Once it's completed, you can move on to details, which brings me to number 6. Step number 6, accent pieces. This can be anywhere from chairs, wall art, lamps, curtains, candles, flowers, etc. Don't stress yourself if you catch yourself staring at your nightstand with no idea what to do. This is where you bring in those accent pieces and start playing with them. Truthfully, I've caught myself with a certain piece start off on a nightstand and end up on a bookshelf. Just keep moving the pieces until you like the way it looks. Don't crowd the space, less is more. Step number 7, organize the unseen. Basket, cabinets, drawers, this is their time to shine. Put away any objects that you use but don't really fit into the space, such as chargers, remotes, in our case, garbage bags, snacks, and paper towels. This should then help you eliminate those remaining items left outside in the open space. You can either trash, donate, or sell these items. Also, make sure to clean throughout your project. This will help keep any dust or dirt from the decorative items and pieces in your space. Once that's completed, your space is done. Kick back and relax and give yourself a pat in the back. Job well done. If you guys have any questions or special requests, please let me know in the comments down below. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.